Good morning, children. Open your content book, page number 93. As you have seen yesterday, the farmers grow the cotton plant and it takes 2 months' time. And you have seen the video of how the cotton plant grew. Now let's continue with the story. If you see here, you can see the cotton plant and few people are working with cotton. She continues. The bolls ripen and turn brown. So when they grow initially, they are in green color. So now they ripe and they become brown. And one day they burst open and out comes the white cotton. So when they ripe and they become brown, later days it burst and open. You can see white cotton inside the bowls. Oh, I have seen them on the tree in Kumar uncle's house, exclaims Rohan. When you know something, you say, "Oh, I know that. I have seen that." So in the same way, Rohan is saying, "Yes, Mama, yes. I have seen in Rohan uncle's house. There is a cotton plant." Kumar uncle is his neighbor. Yes, that is a cotton tree. Very good, Rohan, says Ma, smiling. Do you want to know what happens next? Asked Ma. Yes, Ma, it's really interesting, said Rohan, jumping up and down. So, when Mama was explaining how the cotton boll will ripe and burst, Rohan was able to imagine what he saw in Kumar uncle's house. So he could relate the same thing what he saw at Kumar's uncle's house. So let's see what is the next step. When these burst and the cotton comes out, they will collect the cotton. So the farmer then collects the cotton and sends it to the cotton gin. The gin is a machine that has lots of teeth. It takes out the seeds and fibers from the cotton. Then the cotton is made into bundles called bales and sold to a textile mill, says Ma. So here is the process of the cotton. The farmers collect the cotton and they send it to the cotton gin. The gin is a machine. This is a machine, and these are the teeth where it separates the cotton and the seeds and take out the fibers from the cotton. Underline the word fiber, children. We will see the meaning of it. So the farmer has done his work and it has been sent to the cotton gin, and they do the work and they make it into bundles which are called as bales, and next they have been sent to a textile mill. So let's see what will happen next. So the cotton bales are sent to the textile mill. Now if you see here, this is the picture of a cotton mill and also a shop. Let's see what. At the mill, the bales are cleaned further to remove the short fibers. So at the mill, if you see, the bales are cleaned. These are the bales. They are cleaned and they remove the short fibers. Only the long ones are used to make the yarn. The yarn is then taken to a loom that turns it into cloth. So here is the main process. Underline the word yarn, children. And okay, underline the word yarn and loom, children. I have given the pictures of the words in your daily schedule. So kindly see your daily schedule. So the process here is, at the mill, the bales are cleaned and only the long fibers have been used to make the yarn. The yarn is then taken to a loom. This is a loom which turns it into cloth. Now farmer, then it has come to the cotton gin. From there it has come to the mill and it has made into a loom. Then here if you see, this is a industry. The cloth is then bleached, dyed, printed and so on. Finishes Ma. What does bleached mean? Asked Rohan. The cloth you get from the loom looks grey. Bleaching it makes it white, explains Ma. So the cloth what we get from the loom looks grey in color. So they bleach it and make it into white color. So here the cloth is been bleached, dyed and printed. So this is for today, children. We will see in the next class. Turn to the page 96. You can see the meaning of yarn. A long strand made from many threads twisted together. And the meaning of the fiber first, small threads. I have given you the picture in your daily schedule. You can see that. Then from the fiber it is made into yarn. Yarn is kept into a machine, that is loom. A machine that weaves yarn into cloth. So you can write the keywords, glossary, and make your own sentence and read the story from the beginning. Follow the video also. I will see you in the next class. Okay, children. Bye bye.